যতনা হামबाय তিনি जे जों साबजोनाल डेभलपमेन्ट अफिसारनि जे कुइसन सल्यूशन पुइलानि पाटो आं एकनि थेके 40 जला खायजा निनि तिनि 41 बा 41 नि थेके खायानो आं एकलगे खायलिया भिडिअ टर थांगो बा अंकं थांगो बा लेंगै बो थांगो आबोन बागै ओंखाय कायसा कायसा पाट आराम खाय नायनानि बा सुबिदा खाय नायनानि बागै अब पाट पाट खाय खायरिका एकाय निनि 41 no naidita misaka which one of the following pair of state and tribal is not correctly matched obo kaham ke porna nangnai o question kha belai ke standard ang barbar sawo o question bai jara job man thanai to manai no কিন্তু যারা মায়াখো যারা প্রিপারেশন খাইতংনাই রক বরং বাগৈ belai ke life success ni focus hinmano karon o question nugui boy alert nang thangchinai je angagi barbar je youtube kok saitongo je nang descriptive ba kaham kai study khaina nangnai class khaidi guide nadi kaham kai preparation khaidi somoy na harai erpore nang je kaham job ni je exam ro nang crack khaimanai ba pass khaimanai hinai eke tini o question nungma bai onek jon ani o kok rok nangjakhana ang sob সময় বারবার সাইতঙ্গ একে সিং সাবজেক্টটা সব সময় ডেইলি ক্লাস ডেইলি হোমওয়ার্ক ডেইলি মক টেস্ট টাঙ্গে আসে ডেইলি নাং হংকাই বাচ্চা বড় আসে নাঙ্গে হিনো একে নং আসে যে সিলেবাস নিনি কাইসা কাইসা ও অনেক কিছু পরিষ্কার কাই সাইমানন বাগৈ আবো টাইম নাহারনা নাং একে নিনি 41 नो जों टां नायलायनाय नायदि তিনি जों अनेकटा रिकभार खायनान ट्राइ खायनाय नायतंदि एके सेकांनि पार्ट 1 जदि नायजागिया हंकाय नायबायदि एकनि थेके 40 जरा एके তিনি 41 नि थेके जों जे थांमानसाक नायनाय कमप्लिट ओंखाय बा कमप्लिट ओंखा एके नायतंदि अरवा bo state bo tribe एके आसाम मिरि एके मिरि रक तो हिंदो जों आसाम bo ma poria मिरि नागालैंड कनेक्ट ठीक আছে অরুণাচলক গাহকাই আপাটানি ওব বারবার ফায়া আপাটানি নিনি টিপিএসসি ও বারবার ফাयो এঙ্কা মধ্যপ্রদেশ লম্বাদা মধ্যপ্রদেশ nini orwa lambada ike orwa milia not correctly inke orwa asam miri ike অনেকটা কুইশন কাইসা কুইসো ফানে আনি জানা মতে বা মিস্টাক ফান umung tongo ওঙ্কাই তবে আং মোটামুটি ani idea moto kan rokcek khaynya di correct answer ke bonong khor thangana je ongkoni hoite marok je question je answer je ongko khaymani je TTSC ajang ni bongni hoite je question ongkoni hoite aron hoite nongkhor thangana bo haibano jong oro mo hongkai ekdom srwngnani moto kaham kai naidi bomahike ang answer khai bomahike khlaina nang obo of video kha ek থেকে দুইবার যদি নাইখা হংকাই অবো নং যে কোনো কম্পিটিটিভ এক্সাম ব হেল্পফুল নাই আপনি বাগৈ অবশ্যই আনসার কে সিমিয়া আং অনেক কিছু অরওয়া সাউরিও যাতে নিনি অন্যান্য কম্পিটিটিভ এক্সাম ব হেল্প নানি যা which of the following pair is or correctly matched or is ariman bolte obo joto phano kong tongo correct tongo ba kaisa panu mung tongo atikheri ja kai nang obo jadi naidoro tribe te sip religious tribe te sip religious jamatia to goria to tong khaino mok kai to buddhist rokno sung mok rokno sung buddhist ri chumjak roknugo ke riang sangrongma riang angkan ini tamo sangrongma motai tongo kaisa ike obo riang angkan ini sangrongma riang angkai tamo sangrongma ike darlong angkai to Kristen to tongo nugia deba jeng nugo ike abon bagai oro joto no meseng tongo angkai ang bomono jeng bomono klik haiman nini nini oro klik hemano joto mane 3 number all 4 mane 4 no orwa ekai sing orwa jamatia goria hangka sing oro bitor kita onek sama Jamatia chung bo khayo Jamatia simya hai pa no orwo Jamatia Korea bro khayo ba riang bo Korea khayo Korea ba je kono abo ati Hindi pa no orwo nini abo jotno mes okay abo pate bo nongo te kene mano nini only 2 and 3 2 by 3 thimita ba 2 by 3 thimia ko moble engai ko bo eke only 1 okay ঠিক আছে eke sengoba ke jase khaibo riman eke tang na chedi the correct sequence of the eastward flowing river obang barbar pori rijak is flowing west flowing bobo kaham ga khial khanen bagai nini is what flowing river of the nini peninsula India from north to south north ni theke south facing nini je sequence of boboro eastward flowing river ike जों o je peninsular India wo je north to south to north oba hike phangnai bori barok ike जों oro nainai obo kicha kaham kai oro je question knowledge based question no kaham kai jodi saimi akai problematic nani chance dong oro kaham kai jodi study khaje gi akai ike ni oro 43 wo nini bobo 43 question ba nini oro saga suborno rekha তারপরে মহানদী গোদাবরী কৃষ্ণা পেনান কাবেরী অব বাগাই ও যে রিভার একে সুবর্ণরেখা মাল্ল Mahanadi, Krishna, Godavari, Kaveri, and Bagai. Mahanadi, Subarnarekha, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Penan, Bagai. Mahanadi, Subarnarekha, Krishna, Godavari, Kaveri, and Penan. Opotong ya, nini Subarnarekha, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Penan, Kaveri, and Bagai. Opono, eke n number. Nikai acha klik hai diwana, pricing klik hai jaglia. Klik hai diwana, ika orwa, obo correct. Nikai pricing nito, ni orwa, pricing ni nikai cakane klik, nikai obo Memilia ঠিক আছে একাবন পরে নিনি 43 44 the sequence of which one of the following state has become famous as a nesting place for the gain olive ridley scarlet from South America. Obo kita international ni, obo kita question kita tapang kabo the sequence of which one of the following state has become obo hangga ni komana ini ini international je jika karena dia obo naik yang kemana hingga bang skip kairika obo ane jana kering ka state having the highest percentage of forest land koboto asta klai ikobo kotin kamo klai dika ika orbo nini Madhya Pradesh hingga kai first orban or Madhya Pradesh kre ika Madhya Pradesh ni second hingga kai nini Arunachal Pradesh bade notice nini Mizoram ika orbo sabsaite oro je option ni bising hingga kai obo Arunachal Pradesh saiman thaka Consider the following statement. Consider the following statement or Bobo, Bishes Korea. Damodar Valley Corporation is the first multi-purpose river valley project of independent India. Damodar Valley Corporation include thermal and gas power station. Obo asole nongo Damodar Valley niti poriskar jodi keri hingke mo ansari maya hikai obo to nini Damodar Valley Corporation first multi-purpose river valley project, multi-purpose river valley project of independent India about the Thikno Damodar Valley Corporation included thermal and gas power station. Ikai Damodar Valley Corporation nang abo boot no nang rimano I think ikai Match list one with list second and select the correct answer using the code. Code nino ang perenggan onekjon borok obo confuse nangja kana question pak chawa chapa nandu gyarok ngakai asole obo a by 1 da 2 da 3 da 4 da b by 1 da 2 da 4 da ekan nang fiscal deficit budget deficit revenue deficit primary deficit of fiscal policy ni theory or theory ang barbar poririkha ekai obo jodi poriskar engjagya ba pogui thangka angkai obo je ang je study khlaidi mani কিন্তু jotoi kobo theory phaikya কিন্তু obo descriptive no jara kaham kai follow khaya ba bujinani naiyarok borok isa tapang jakha ba rimalia ike sengoro nailiana je nini fiscal deficit thingkai excess of total expenditure over total is abuya nini fiscal deficit thingkai fiscal deficit thingkai excess of total expenditure over total receipt less borrowing obo tar mane any orowo 3 klai any tamo 3 any 3 ga obo haikeche obo mes khai nang rinai jodi nang obo saimia fiscal deficit tamo saimia kai nang rimaya ega tabok obo budget deficit che obo excess of total expenditure over total receipt te excess the total expenditure total expenditure ni je excess over total receipt eken nang saiman thaka obo abon pore budget deficit thinga ketamo nini budget deficit aba samaka revenue deficit nini revenue deficit thinga kai utolane ba excess of revenue expenditure over revenue receipt ni uporo je revenue expenditure ni je excess aboka revenue deficit primary deficit thinga kai to ikobono excess of total expenditure expenditure over total receipt less borrowing eke sing orowo obo chini obo nong saiman jak gangkai nongoro patsa nai kica nai neng klik hainani eke oro bobo klik haine ang it iko oro klik engka an pora nadi consider the following taxes oro kica nini wealth tax direct tax excise duty direct tax nini corporation tax direct tax oro to nini consider following taxes indirect tax engke to custom duty simse ike oro to ka oro boko oro kaisa confuse ka nai nei di abo nai kang ka to thik thanai ekai to ঠিক আছে abo kicha nai di amon pore which one of the following statement is correct fiscal responsibility and budget management Act FRBMA obo FRBMA obo nini FRBMA obo already ang barbar class khairija fiscal responsibility and budget management obo ang barbar khlairijak hingkai to obo jara o class ang naikha ba khlaija saiman thanai obo nini bobo fiscal deficit only the revenue deficit only the both fiscal deficit and revenue deficit neither fiscal deficit and not bobo ekai chengorowa saiman thaka abo both fiscal deficit and revenue deficit abon saiman thaka eke abo next when the Reserve Bank of India reduced the statutory liquidity ratio by 50 basis point. Which of the following is likely to happen? When the Reserve Bank of India reduce the statutory liquidity ratio by 50 basis point. Which of the following is likely to happen? Hekaroto nini Reserve Bank of India banking system ni kita Indian obo khairika liquidity 50 basis point obo 50 ni nini Indian GDP growth rate increase drastically ba foreign institutional investor may bring more capital into our country. Scheduled commercial bank may cut their lending rate. Nini correct answer. Which one of the following is the correct given in the decreasing order to contribution of different sector to the gross domestic product of India? Mane, which one of the following is the correct sequence? Is the decreasing order to contribution of different sector of the gross domestic product of India? Gross domestic product GDP abang barbar klaika nikai jara abo bujika ba mujo tongka abo sequence saimanai nini orobo service ni pore da na agriculture na industry na nini sequence bolte oro kicha kok bujina nangnai which one of the following is the correct sequence in the decreasing order increasing ya decreasing order decreasing kai thanai nikai decreasing mane tolaw nongkor thanai oro industry service obo ya nini service pore industry and pre agriculture doton tolawa agriculture ni sakaukai industry ni thakakai nini service oro chini primary secondary nini tertiary primary secondary tertiary abang barbar bujokha haipano jara abo burogoi jehetu rijak jara poriskar khai bujiarok obo answer khaimaliana ikai question to chung je alusona khlaimani je ungkomani obo purata pura ba engyapano nini 90% rok kintu je কোনো competitive exam ni je question rok obo hahaino gorafera kintu kaham khlai touching khaijagya apti rok ba confusion ngo obo je কোনো competitive sabsoma apti mamang ungtong engkai nengoro obo ni bagai kaham experience ba knowledge nana nanglai অনেকজন বড় very important abo boldarona apti rok kore ang sob somoi sai tongo important nang topic প্রত্যেকটা syllabus wise ni de topic joto sob nono je syllabus ni je topic abo ekdom knowledge ekdom pakang di nang competitive exam ni যদি nang tikina ni hingkai karon nang kaisa officer na hingkai onek kisu knowledge tongna nangnai nini knowledge kore angokok sob somoi tabuk simia barbar sao abon bagai baksa anokai hino belai kok sao ari nang abo kok saya hangkai nang bahai ke sai mana ba ekai saimia hangkai nang kuchot mane ustad khonai bele ekai abo kok rok belai nangkuk mane kok se airplane de which of the following pair are correct match tribe এবং chief oro most important abo nadi abo hangkai to onekjon jeung mo hangkai to tribe by chief jeung obo যদি task khaje hangkai saimi ang thanai obo kaham kai nai nangnai obo onekta nini ucuy charpa tripura hangkai to ruwaja tripuri ba tripura abo ruwaja thingtongo ike abo bai nang obo suppose oro purata manya hangkai ang technique phorongnai oro tripura ruwaja nang obo kaisa manjak dui hingka hangkai tripura ruwaja mane dui only two borotong iko oro two tongo oro two tongo oro kroi ike oro ek number to minus thangka hingkai two hingkai chakma karbari koloi rai ikai nang oro koloi rai poloito rai abo angkolia confusion kha eke tobe nini Tripura waja Chakma Karbari eke Chakma rok Karbari ke oro nong duita motamoti confirm uchai Sarpa eke oro nongoro 2 tongo 3 ya Tripura kring thango 2 ebong abo kring thango eke 1 Sarpa angka nongoro klik hai mana oba ike nang nai mohai jatiya no khai technique khatogoi nang di mano eke oro nini 53 o I think abo being na erpore which one of the following pair is correct match oro teisa oro pa ancient history ni abo chung alochona khai ancient history the Harappa civilization tamba borok pahari school of planning da Ajanta painting da Gondra school of art da the painted gateway da eke oro abo kicha mobo kaham jadi nini Kushanni Mughal ni Marathani abo kaisa position no busik check khai kanadi nang jadi ancient ni ba nini medieval rok Kushan bongso Mughal Maratha obrong ni tui je art and culture jadi poriskar kari ingkai nang obo nang rohmaya ingkai obo kicha tap bolte nang sernya kai nini knowledge kari ke obo rohmaya ikai nano to nang kaisa officer to 5-6 baji kai nang manglak porna nang nai abon bagaina nangai pori tong nai bosor hisab an bagaina ang 1 year bagai register khaidi nangai continue pori tong di ang bai continue daily manli pinangya sudu register khaidin sawo 1 bosor ni bagai register khayoi nang continue 1 bosor nangai tong di nini knowledge ekdam perfect knowledge engana awan pore on knowledge mani pore nang je kono competitive exam ready কিন্তু nang kono knowledge kriya exam dinan simi peteng enggai kamanglak ang barbar sawo abo tabuk simya eke mo tini mo question by ang asa khayo je joto candidate rok je unemployed jara joto sub preparation khaitonai rok অনেক alert nang thangbainai অনেক পড়াশোনা খাইনেন bagai ongkong thangbainai mo question nugui ba o video by ang tebo phandi dikha je alert nani bagai karon angagino saitongo kiaba o question no khai ane o kok samani rok nangjak bai sinai je আসলে kaham মানে পড়াশোনা খাইনে নাঙ্গো বা পড়াশোনা kaham khaya hangkai जों o question rok no saimia ba attempt khaimia eka abo mahaino nini joto sob kaham job rok ni ungtonga ang barbar saitongo jate abo kintu nangpuk mani belai nangpuk mani kok ike oro nini Orobo kaisa ang skip khaijenai obo ang mo thupjaka obo karon joto ungkong thango erpore which tribal community in Tripura are known as Sikam oro Sikam sabno hin Sikam hangkai Sikam halam kuki mok Tripura nini riang eka I think halam kuki abo Sikam ang ani mote eka to abo ang Sikam sabno him abo Sikam halam kuki ang abo indicate khaja ai pana nai di noro correct answer nong perpuru abo saya panung tong ikai which of the following pair are correctly matched ikai oro naidi Lothal to ancient dockyard anpre Sarnath first sermon abo to thik ekaro dui kaisa correct thangka Rajgir lion capital of Ashok abo ya abo lion capital of Rajgir ya Nalanda great seat Buddhist learning abo thik tar mane no dui kaisa ek Lothal ancient backyard acha angka arwa ani I think arwa C number correct Match list one with list two the select the correct answer. Okay, or 90 57 on 57 nini a by 1 dangno 2 dangno bisak dotto abo nini medicine da drama da astronomy da na mathematician da ke Brahmagupta Brahamihir nini Caraka nini Caraka engkai oroto Bisaka Dotto to Bisaka Dotto Drama এরপরে বরাহমিহির তো বরাহমিহির তো অ্যাস্ট্রোনমি চারকা তো মেডিসিন নাই বিথিরি Brahmagupta ini mathematician Brahmagupta Brahmihir Bitu Brahmihir se Bipur अच्छा और किसा आं कन्फ्यूजन का अब स्किप खारिका निकाय ताबुक बाय तीनटा स्किप उनका अब स्किप खारिका अब किसा ara match list one with list two and select the correct answer abo hangka nini ira Bikram ira 1590 AD Saka ira to eka oro hangkai nini ira Gupta ira Tripura ira acha eke nini oro Tripura ira Bikram ira 4858 engkai dini Tripura ira nang 59 ekai nini dini to obo 1 nang komsa saka ira nini saka ira nini 78 nang saimanjak ekai aro mili thangka tekaisese engka abono iko obo correct rijak obo correct engka obo correct ঠিক আছে engkai next naidi Ostapradhan was Council of Minister. Ostapradhan was a Council of Minister. Ostapradhan Council of Minister. Abanini Gupta Chula Bisaka Maratha. Maratha. Ostapradhan Maratha. ঠিক আছে একাই Mughal painting reach it zenith under Mughal painting to Shahjahan Jahangir Mughal painting reach it zenith under আচ্ছা জাহাঙ্গীর হবে বিশেষ করে which of the following pair is correct match अब Guru Amar Das Guru Arjun Dev Guru Ramdas Guru Gobind Singh একাই Guru Gobind Singh আদিগ্রন্থ correctly match Guru Amar Das correctly match অবগণায় correctly match Guru Arjun Dev Adi Guru Arjun Dev Adi kan Guru Gobind Singh ya Guru Gobind Singh dal. Acha abo correct. I think abo being nai. Okay, next. Which one of the following pair is not correctly matched? Aro bobo hungka hungkai Jahangir, William, Hokin, Shah Jahan, Akbar, Aurangzeb, Oro matching ya. Akbar, Sithamburu, so ya. Think about the number. On for 63 one ID. List 1 by list 2 মিলি রিনামিন ছাপা সব সময় একাই অব লিস্ট 1 অব খাই এ ইয়াং অংকাই লিস্ট 2 ও যে ফোটা ফোটা দুইটা রিজাক মিচিং মিচিং অব বন অ্যানালজি বহিন একাই অরা মিচিং 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 বা লিস্ট 1 by লিস্ট 2 মিলি রিমান নামদেব বা কবির কবির নিনি কবি দাস টেইলর সেনা কাবলা বুয়া এঙ্কা নিনি অরা 61 COVID Weber, I think it'll be Namdev to Taylor Kobir Web Kobir Barbar Kobir to Nini Barbar okay Sena okay to Sena Sena se Barbar Sena Barbar engkai Robidase Kobla Robidase Kobla. Acha I think Orawa bi kalakya kan nai pedi nro tebo which one of the following pair is correctly matched? So which of the following pair is correctly matched? Bobo Battle of Boxer Mirzapur by Robert Clive, the Battle of Woods Bus East India Company, the Battle of Silanwala Abo Busuk Simon Nang Jota Sub Battle ni Jung Alasana Claylejak Bibina Battle Abo Jodi Sabai Saba of Battle Kaham Kai Chorsa Khadia Hankai Abo Mangalak Egabon Bagino of Battle Jota Sub Battle Nang Jota Simon Nang engage nang abo kaham preparation bolte knowledge nya sa পর্যন্ত nang abo haimia emon ki kichami chapor ma baifana nang oro kubutu bunang thanai mayang thanai battle of khada nizam be east india company battle of dalhousie maratha battle of this friend east india company engai oro nini battle of khada abono I think abo eka list which select the correct answer using the code below abo code by risakwa yang by yang Mofar revolt abo revolt no Kerala Mopna revolt Bihar Eka movement Bengal Birsa Munda revolt Wada okay nini abo boy bobo okay 90 Mofar revolt Kerala Mofar revolt Kerala Mofar revolt Kerala Patna revolt to Patna to Bengal Ika revolt award acha ঠিক আছে অব নিনি 65 no I think 65 65 ni I think nini ngai ikai takasa list mili rinen nai sapa first Indian world independent orwa ini Anandamot Bankim Chandra B Hemanthaka engkai B3 বলতং B3 ঠিক আছে আটাকে নাইট মাকা B3 B3 একে the first Indian world independent bini aga Damodar Sobar Simon Taka engkai Mukut engkai Mukut hinai to ni Rabindranath Tagore acha engkai aro miaseng taka iko bini mot raka kare ya number aro 66 ni abo ya number correct engkai next naidi who among the following Englishmen first translate Bhagavad Gita into English. Apa to easy? Tales wikis apa easy? Apa enggak direct? Ini apa easy? Which of the following pair is correctly match? Apa Agartala, Saidra, Howrah, Tingtongo, Engkai only one ya, Hangkai, Bilunia Mohori. Bilunia Mohori no, Udaipur to Gumti Ganano, Kolasor, Monoai, Obajoto Milijak, Engkai, Obajatono, Milijak, 68 ni, or Dio, click in. Which of the following is are correctly matched? Abobo, Musandai Khor, Boro, Hezamarada, na Tujlikma, Sipai Jalawada, engkai Cakrakma Gomotida Subrai Hong Onokotida engkai orwo Bobo Musandai Khorto Hedamara Nongnai Tujilikma bo Tujilikma anga Sipai Jalai Tujilik agi mani ba Cakrakma abo Gomoti Cakrakma bolte abo belai kuat chung tui tui abo chung Bangla bakai subject ya liwa je tui besi folong madi water folong mani intayo kai kokro ko Cakrakma eke subrai khung abo subrai hangga chung joto sob dev devi ba je kono hangga abo hangga taro unokoti eke chung orwa sini idea wa 6 orwa di number no payo 69 ni dikabo tadi. Amun pore 75 chapdi which of the following chronological sequence of the TTDC most important of jodi kaham kai saime yang barbar sacak abo jodi sequence jodi saime yang kai no saiman gelak kai orwo puila betike naran depende puila ek number berotong ya botong biwa tong siwa tong oma joto jagan ek puila naran depende ingkai tabuk sengrom sanais La Jogdish Devarma tabuk Jogdish Devarma okay last Jogdish Devarma ingkai jotu ingkai nini lasong nanang sequence kita lasong nanang or last berberotong oma biwa batongwa siwa tongwa diwa batong eke nini orwa tabon pore nini Mongjoi Mok Mongjoi Mok ni pore Hirendra Kumar Tirpura Hirendra Kumar Tirpura তারপরে শ্রী Santiranjan Liang I think abo pulpa namung tonga I think abo ani mote orwo Hirendra Mangsajoi acha ani mote ekai pulpa namung tonga nai jadi correct ngopro ঠিক আছে ekai orwo Maharani Kanchan Prabha Devi sign that Tripura abato sign nini sign kemeni 9 September 1949 ঠিক আছে এখান পরে which of the following pair is a correct match or a correct match একাই নাইদি Orowo 70 Mukherjee, SP Mukherjee, first governor of Tripura. Sajendra Lal Singh, Chief Minister of Tripura. Correct. B.K. Nehru, governor. Correct. 2, 3. 2 by 3. Sukhmay Sen Gupta, Sukhmay Sen Gupta. Tar mane no Orowo, one Sukhmay Sen Gupta. 2 or 2 by 3 sin Sukhmay Sen Gupta abo education minister. ঠিক আছে Garwa C correct. Ekan ini which one of the following statement correct? Orobo correct. Okay. Ini after merger Tripura become the part C state of the first election of Tripura Territory Council held 1957 of 5 year. The Legislative Assembly Union Territory Tripura have become August 1962 ঠিক নব Tripura become full-fledged ঠিক নব তার মানে অরব আনি I think অব ন একে কারেক্ট আনসার কে নাও করানো 90 তবে আনি মতে অব আংরিকা একে স্রংনানি বাগৈ অব বেলায় বেলায় কে নাংকুগো বটিকে রিনানি বা বটিকে কম্পেয়ার খাইখাইয়ে consider the following statement অরব 90 Autonomous District Council TDC was constituted in 1982 under the 7th schedule of the Constitution for the socio-economic development, preservation of language and actual of the Tripura Abata Tiktongo Science 1885 TDC was voted under the 6th schedule for the Constitution. Tiktongo the TDC is Tripura. 68.10% of the state total geographical territory and it home to not only third of the state population Tiktongo at present TDC and the 8 zone 44 subzonal and 587 village committee of Tiktongo etar moneno oro nini abo correct I think Avan pore the popular indigenous food of Tripura usually prepare is bamboo tuk photo godok no sung salaya bises korea arak chuak wakan mosden muy chak hoi muya to godok no 74 আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে the Indo Bangla Moitri Bridge above top ini jeng barbar najak the highest peak of Tripura is located the highest peak of Tripura is located the highest peak of Tripura located nini highest peak boro nini highest peak awat nini Jompoi Hill Range sakam abo Simon Taka which of the following assist Maharaja of Tripura great land reservation for his subject Poncho Tripura nei sababo niniabo Maharaja Birubikram Kishore Manika Maharaja Birubikram Kishore Manika Poncho Tripura which of the following pair are correct or বিশেষ করে বব correct Benichandra Jamatia Indian folk obonon Tangga Darlong Indian folk music obo atino Chataram Riang Indian folk artist one two three Tangga Darlong 1 2 3 1 2 3 Igarwa Pesang Tongka sub number kari 1 3 2 Totongo Tangga Darlong tobo gaya abo Sonacharan Deborma abo oro jotono nini abo correct eke abon pore naidi teisa name other northeastern state having six scheduled area to bon jeng barbar kon naijak bas engkai Assam Mizoram Meghalaya Tripura ঠিক আছে একে जों abo naikha engkai जों tekaisa mobile pator thango tekaisa pator English nailene sirlaine naidi tekaisa pator একে जों অনেকটা নাইলে লেখা sirlaikha oba অনেক যে কোনো কম্পিটিটিভ এক্সাম ni রিনানি বাগै sirnani belai tongo joto sub friend no share khaidi obo te obo answer ke tonrok man thangana haipano bahai ke rinani obose asol main mudda je जों exam attempt khainani je sirlaima se obo eke answer ke to nini ek dui dino nongkhor thangana kuno wanan krei eke apro naidi eke I think oro je ang je ani knowledge tongoni obo rikha ekai next class to malai pinai ang English ni check khayana tekaisa pato ঠিক আছে আমবাই